Welcome to my channel, Najmalina here, and today we're going to be making a DIY toilet cleaning quiz. I mean, who doesn't like a clean toilet? So, let's get started. First of all, you're going to need 1 cup of baking soda, then a 1/4 cup of citric acid, then we're going to need 1 tablespoon of washing up liquid. Then add 20 to 30 drops of essential oil. I added lemon oil. What would you add? Then we mix and we mix and we mix. I don't mean mix it 3 times, like just keep mixing until it's all blended. Now we get our silicone ice cube tray and place the mixture in there. It will keep bubbling up and expanding, but that's to be expected. Just clean it off and wipe it off while it does that. Also, this mixture is quite a bit, so if you have got some left over, place it in a zip-locked bag to preserve it. Let it set for at least 4 hours and then you're done. Be sure to store your fizzes in a container with a lid. Just throw a fizz in the toilet whenever you don't feel like scrubbing. And watch your toilet bowl sparkle. Hope you liked the video, guys. If you did, like, share and subscribe.